Oh.
Lows in the mid-40s. Monday night. Winds with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 60s. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning systems are promising. WXG-31, this test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception with the broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability normally warning and watch will within a 40-mile radius of the city. WXG following Georgia County, the warning alarm will normally Barno, Cherokee, Sanders, Gilmer, Gordon, Walker, and Wakefield. The following Georgia Somerville listening area, WXG 72. Listening area, WWH 23. The following Carroll, Douglas, Harrelson, Paulding, Bartow, Cobb, Floyd, and Polk in Georgia and in Alabama, Cleburne. The Lagrange listening area, KXI 76, includes the following Georgia and Alabama counties: Toledo, Page, Marietta, and Coop in Georgia and in Alabama, Sanders and Randall. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Official forecast. Conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of Somerville. This includes the following Georgia counties: Floyd, Bartow, Polk, Gordon, Chattooga, and Walker, and Cherokee County in Alabama. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the